Right, final stage of the preparation for the Defender, and it's going into the spray booth here. You can see around the whole window frame is all primed and taped, so I'll tape that in the inside whenever I bring it in to the booth. Obviously you can see the whole frame is going to be painted, and then this was extra. This was the corrosion around the glass. You can see the glass being removed to be skylight. This was all hidden by the roof rack, so it's been removed and it's been rubbed down, etched primered, and then the primer put on it. And then we've just last bit I'm working at the back here still to get primed, which I'll do very quickly, and then obviously this little bit here rubbed down for painting. So that's virtually ready. Next step is going to see it in the paint booth. Okay, so as you've seen, the vehicle's now in the booth, got taped up, did them wee bits of corrosion there, and they are now rubbed down and primed. Again, it's covered by the ladder and you don't see any of it, but we're going to do it anyway just so that it's right. Moving down the side, then we'll have the side window light, which was once we pull the roof rack off you're able to see a bit more than that, so that's ready to go. And also moving forward to the front, so around the window frame, and we're actually going to do where the hinges go, or the covers. We're going to get that sorted. So next, mix up the paint, and I'm going to get the paint around it, which I'm sure you'll be glad to see, and I'm sure Alan will definitely be glad to see. So that's it, ready to go. Get some paint in the gun and I'll get painting. Okay, so that's it, ready to go. It's going to be very difficult for me to paint this and film at the same time, so I'm just going to let you see a bit of it start to go on, and then I'll cut back in between the coats just to have to jump all around it, and there's nowhere to really set the camera which is going to show it, plus it's going to be quite quick. So here we go. Okay, so that's our first coat on, and this is actually a really good covering colour. So you can see it's already covered up, most of the primer already. And it's right round. Forgot to mention that bit earlier on. Up over the top. And also on the rear here. So, a couple of coats. This is solid colour, so this is a direct gloss, meaning I'm only getting a couple of coats of the paint on, and that actually puts the shine on as well. No lacquer with this. So I'll crack on with this, do another couple of coats and show you in between again. So another coat, and as you can see, it's even really starting to shine already. It's good to see it all back in the same colour again. So I'll let this dry off, then I'm going to give it a nice wet coat, and then I have a couple of wee blends to do around the roof, and that'll be it. Okay, it might be hard to see, but that's it all painted. Roof section, small little panel. So you can see it's going to be very shiny. So next step, we'll get the glass put back into that this week, and then we'll start building everything up again. Hopefully the roof rack will be ready, and we shall get the underneath power washed, and I'm going to do a bit of sealing underneath. So thanks for keeping watching, thanks for subscribing, and if you haven't already subscribed, why not consider doing it? There's a box at the bottom there you can tick, and I really appreciate any comments that you might have about the job or the work that I'm doing. And just keep tuned in for further videos through the week. Thanks for watching. Cheers.